Regardless of the room temperature, both hot yoga and Bikram yoga aim to provide relaxation of the mind and improve physical fitness. A heated environment can make the practice of yoga more challenging, but some of the benefits may be worth it, especially if you're looking to make progress in one of the areas outlined below. If done correctly and safely, hot yoga can provide the following benefits. 1. Improves flexibility. You may already know that stretching after you warm up your muscles is safer than stretching cold muscles. So, it follows that an environment like a hot yoga studio can make yoga poses easier and more effective. The heat allows you to stretch a little further and achieve a greater range of motion. A 2013 study of hot yoga found that after 8 weeks, yoga participants had greater flexibility in their low back, shoulders, and hamstrings than the control group. 2. Burns more calories. A 160-pound person can burn around 183 calories an hour with traditional yoga. Turning up the heat can help you burn even more calories. According to researchers at Colorado State University, the calorie burn can be as high as 460 for men and 330 for women during a 90-minute hot yoga session. Hot yoga will burn more calories than a traditional yoga workout. 3. Builds bone density. Supporting your weight during a yoga pose can help build bone density. This is especially important for older adults and premenopausal women, as bone density declines as you age. A 2014 study of women who participated in hot yoga over a 5-year period found that premenopausal women had increased bone density in their neck, hips, and lower back. This led the authors of the study to believe that hot yoga may be an effective option for reducing the risk of osteoporosis in women. 4. Reduces stress. Many people turn to yoga as a natural way to deal with stress. A 2018 study of stressed, physically inactive adults found that a 16-week program of hot yoga significantly reduced the participants' stress levels. At the same time, it improved their health-related quality of life, as well as their self-efficacy, the belief that you have control over your behavior and social environment. 5. Eases depression. Yoga is well known as a technique to help you relax and improve your mood. According to the American Psychology Association, it may also be a helpful therapy for reducing the symptoms of depression. Additionally, a 2017 review of 23 different studies that focused on yoga as a treatment for depression concluded that yoga is an effective way to reduce depressive symptoms. 6. Provides a cardiovascular boost. Striking different yoga poses in high heat can give your heart, lungs, and muscles a more challenging workout than doing the same poses in a lower temperature. According to a 2014 study, just one session of hot yoga is enough to get your heart pumping at the same rate as a brisk walk, 3.5 miles per hour. Hot yoga also revs up your respiration and metabolism. 7. Reduces blood glucose levels. While any type of exercise can help burn energy and reduce circulating levels of glucose, sugar, in your bloodstream, hot yoga may be an especially helpful tool for people at higher risk for type 2 diabetes. A 2013 study found that a short-term hot yoga program improved glucose tolerance in older adults with obesity, but it had less of an effect on young, lean adults. 8. Nourishes the skin. Sweating, and a lot of it, is one of the main objectives of hot yoga. One of the benefits of sweating in a warm environment is that it can improve circulation, bringing oxygen and nutrient-rich blood to skin cells. This, in turn, may help to nourish your skin from the inside. Safety tips. If you're in good health, hot yoga is generally safe. But, as with most types of exercise, there are some safety precautions to keep in mind. Dehydration is a major concern with hot yoga. Drinking water before, during, and after a hot yoga class is essential. A low-calorie sports drink may also help restore electrolytes lost during your hot yoga workout. Some pre-existing health conditions may make you more prone to passing out in a hot room. This includes heart disease, diabetes, arterial abnormalities, anorexia nervosa, and a history of fainting. If you have low blood pressure or low blood sugar, you may be prone to dizziness or lightheadedness with hot yoga. Check with your doctor to make sure hot yoga is safe for you. Pregnant women should consult their doctor before trying hot yoga. If you've had heat intolerance problems in the past, you may want to stick with yoga that's done at a normal temperature. Stop right away if you feel dizzy, lightheaded, or nauseous. Leave the room and rest in a cooler environment.